Today we'll be covering Topic 1, Atomic Structure and Isotopes. As you know from GCSE, an atom consists of protons, neutrons and electrons. The protons and neutrons exist in the nucleus, which you can see here, whereas the electrons orbit the nucleus in shells. As you can see in this table, the charge of a proton is +1 and the charge of an electron is -1. That means that they cancel out, so the overall charge of any atom is 0. An isotope is an atom of the same element with a different number of neutrons. The relative atomic mass of an atom is the weighted mean mass of an atom relative to 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom. The weighted mean mass includes the abundance of each isotope as well as the relative isotopic mass. The relative atomic mass of an isotope can be calculated using this formula: the abundance of the first isotope times the isotopic mass plus the abundance of the next isotope times the isotopic mass, and that's all over 100. And you can repeat this for however many isotopes there are. The example below shows chlorine, which calculates at 35.5, which you can find on your periodic table. Ions are atoms that have gained or lost electrons to become either positively or negatively charged. Here's an example of all of the ions that you'll need to know for your A-level course. The ammonium ion, NH4+, the hydroxide ion, OH-, the nitrate ion, NO3-, the nitrite ion, NO2-, the bicarbonate ion, HCO3-, the carbonate ion, CO32-, the sulfate ion, SO42-, the sulfite ion, SO32-, the dichromate ion, Cr2O72-, and the phosphate ion, PO43-. Make sure to memorize all of these formulae, as well as their charges. That's all for today. In the next video we'll be covering moles and equations.